SYLVANIA's Headlight Restoration Kit is a simple and easy way to improve headlight clarity and reverse damage to headlights caused by UV rays. But before we get started with the kit, here are a few things to note. Do not use the kit in temperatures under 32 degrees. Make sure your headlights are washed and completely dry. Have some clean water available. Have some scissors and paper towels or a clean cloth handy. You'll need some tape too. We recommend painter's tape. Everything else you need is right there in the kit. So first, tape off the area around the headlight to protect the paint from the sandpaper. Next, make sure the headlight is completely dry and spray on the surface activator. The surface activator removes cloudy stains and softens the original hard coat of the headlight. Wait about 30 seconds and rinse the activator off. Now we're ready to sand. We're going to start with the 400 grit sandpaper and make sure that both the paper and the headlight are completely wet. Don't press too hard as you sand the entire headlight in circular motions or back and forth as you get into the corners. As you finish, run your finger over the headlight and resand any rough spots you find. Now, once the entire headlight has a white, hazy look, we're going to move on to the 1000 grit sandpaper. Wet the paper again and sand the headlight for 2 to 5 minutes with firm pressure. Once finished, sand again with the 2000 grit sandpaper for about 2 to 5 minutes again with firm pressure. Now your headlight should be very smooth now, but we're going to take it a step further. Take out the clarifying compound, which is just a very fine polish. Re-wet the headlight and take a quarter size amount of the polish on the provided white cloth and apply it to the headlight. Now this should be applied like you would a car wax with firm pressure. Once you're done, rinse and thoroughly dry the headlight, which should appear uniformly white and hazy. That's most of the work. The kit makes the restoration so easy. Now, once the headlight is dry, we will again apply the surface activator and wait about 30 seconds. Then rinse the surface completely and use the other provided white towel to make sure the light is completely dry. Now, as we're heading into the final step, we can go ahead and remove the tape around the headlight. Before we start the last step, put on the provided vinyl glove for safety. Take out the provided blue cloth, fold it, and dampen a corner completely with the UV clear coat. Now you'll want to make sure you do this next part fairly quickly so the clear coat cures evenly. Apply the coat in smooth strokes over the headlight, like a paintbrush, working from top to bottom. Quickly dab the folded corner with more clear coat as needed. Overlap your strokes just slightly until the whole thing is covered, quickly touching up any parts you missed. Now, once you're finished, do not apply another clear coat. And that's it. You're done. Now just wait at least an hour before touching the headlight and try not to drive for a couple of hours so the clear coat...
A breakthrough product that restores weathered headlights back to like new, and unlike its competitors, keeps them that way for life. Here's why it's the best. CERAKOTE created its own proprietary cleansing wipes that allow you to literally wipe away the oxidation and weathering. Other headlight restoration kits require intense buffing and polishing with power tools, which can easily damage the headlights from melting and burning. CERAKOTE's Headlight Restoration Kit doesn't require any power tools. Instead, simple light sanding for 2 to 3 minutes with the included surface prep pads and discs is all that's needed for a perfect finish. Once the surface has been prepped, other kits apply a temporary treatment that breaks down quickly. CERAKOTE's different because they manufacture a true professional-grade ceramic coating that chemically bonds to the headlights and provides future UV protection that withstands the test of time. The process is completed in 3 easy steps and just 30 minutes of your time. Just wipe them clean, give them a light sanding, and apply the coating. That's it. You're done and your headlights have never looked better. So it's faster, easier, comes with a superior cleanser, doesn't require additional tools, clarifies, restores, and protects for life. Why wouldn't you try it? It's one of the fastest and most affordable improvements you can do to your car. See what you've been missing. Get your coat on with CERAKOTE.
UV rays and other environmental conditions can severely degrade the appearance and performance of your headlights. 3M Innovation has a solution for you to make headlights 10 times clearer, improve brightness by 200%, and protect for up to 2 years. These kits have everything you need to get the job done quickly and easily. For light yellowing and touch-up jobs, the quick and easy Headlight Restoration Kit is the perfect solution. For more severe UV degradation, use the 3M Restore and Protect Headlight Restoration Kit. 2 steps, no tools. Helps headlights to be up to 10 times clearer. For headlights with the harshest yellowing, use the 3M Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit. Featuring drill-activated power, the 3M Ultra Kit will restore your headlights and also provide UV protection for up to 2 years. The easy way to get your headlights looking like new with 3M Headlight Restoration Kits. Work like a pro with 3M Headlight.
Meguiar's 2-step headlight restoration kit quickly and easily restores clarity to oxidized and yellowed headlights in just 2 simple steps. The cleaning solution and pads remove the yellow and cloudy surface contamination, while the spray coating provides like new clarity for up to 1 year. In 2 easy steps, it's the quick and effective way to restore and protect headlights.